Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chesley in Texas on this RCI-2970N4. Chesley got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment as well as a voltage regulator upgrade. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. We set up 20 watts for you there with the carrier all the way down. That's just in case you decide to run an amplifier with it. Roll it all the way up. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low. 240 bird. 500 watt slug and peak. Low. Needless to say, 500 in the corner. Let's go over here to sideband because I know you're going to run on the sideband some. Hello, 500 on sideband. Alright, Chesley, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscvsales.com. Bump bump.